This is exactly how to put coolant in your Mercedes-Benz CLS 450. So you can see right here that we have to open up the hood here, and then you're going to look for this little plastic lid here, as you can see, and we need to open it up. And you actually have this right here. So the funny thing about this specific Mercedes is that we have two of those. So we have to fill both of them up. And you fill them up by just opening it up like this, as you can see, and then you're going to put the coolant inside right here. And look for the min or max so that you don't actually fill up more than you have to, of course. And you can see it's right here. And also, by the way, yeah, once again, this is the second one here. Make sure to also, before you actually open it up here, to just pause your engine for a bit. Just park your car and let the engine cool for 1 to 2 minutes at least, even more, maybe 5 to 10 minutes is even better. But basically, this is exactly how to put coolant in your Mercedes-Benz CLS 450.